was Neo like before you started the training?
Neil was diagnosed with ADHD when he was 10 years old. He had trouble organizing his thoughts and coming up with solutions in school. This was especially so for English, maths, and composition writing. Neil also had trouble with copying down visual text. He would copy down one word at a time, and this would cause him to be very slow in class, and he would fall behind the class as a result. He also had issues with topics like area, perimeter, volume, anything that was visual, symmetry. And this was very worrying for me because Neil was supposed to attend his PSLE this year.
So what difference did you notice?
3 weeks into the NeuroLAT training program, I noticed that Neil's critical thinking skills and his processing skills improved a lot. I was so amazed one day when he managed to solve a symmetry question for the very first time. I also noticed that Neil is able to organize his thoughts and come up with solutions for questions that require evaluation. This is something that was almost non-existent before he started this training program. His ability to solve visual questions like area, perimeter, volume also strengthened as he progressed through the NeuroLAT training program, which is really good. I noticed that Neil, from copying down one word at a time, he was able to copy sentences at a time after a while. His visual memory actually improved a lot. I was also not able to enroll Neil into group tuition before, and after 6 weeks into the NeuroLAT program, after seeing his progress, I decided to try again. And I was so overjoyed when the tuition teacher actually told me that Neil was coping very well in class, and he was also able to grasp the concepts that were being presented there.
Okay, what advice would you give?
Definitely start early. I would advise parents who have children with ADHD like my son to start them early. NeuroLAT has shown us that it has the ability to transform minds by addressing the learning issues that my son had. I would definitely urge parents to go for it.